Hello to you, my gorgeous ladies. You are welcome back to my channel, Nail Vibes. The channel, as you always know, that gives you nothing but the very best in nails fashion. This video here is not an exception because I have the best collections of short, beautiful pink nails for you, my gorgeous queens. So in case you are seeing the channel for the first time or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do subscribe, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that you will always get notified immediately a new video is dropped in this channel. So watching this video, you see that these nails look so good and so compelling to go out to any occasion of your choice. Okay, so sit back, watch to the end, and select your best slide. You can even mix 2 or 3 different slides to make on your nails. They look so good and gorgeous. So as you watch, please do support my channel by hitting the like button. Okay, like the video, and also feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. I say a big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching my videos and also engaging. Trust me, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. You are so much appreciated. Thank you so much. So ladies, at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my channel or my video. Okay, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Take care of you and bye for now.